So when you make a lot of YouTube videos about shoes and buy a lot of shoes, even though you sell them, you eventually end up buying some for the people you live with. So these are two pairs of same shoe, of course Nike. I've completely switched to it from Adidas, man. Like they fucked up big time last time, so I don't trust them. So these are women's for women. Nike Flex Essential TR, Glava Ice, Article Beach, Sale. Like Nike is killing it with the sale colorway. Like in their dunks, in their trainers, in the Jordans, like everywhere the sale is there, and it's very on point. So yeah, I'll unbox one of these for you guys. So this one is the same Nike Flex Essential TR3 women's, same color, same everything, the Nike branding swoosh, the Nike swoosh here, and just do it. These are for my sister. Like let me see on the bottom. Yep, the Nike branding. And funny thing, these were for 66-67 pound, like 89-90 USD, and I got them for 30. So this particular pair in this size, this is for my sister. So other one is for my missus. Yep, this is the shoe. It looks pretty dope. It looks pretty sick. The marble finish on the swoosh, even though it's not marble, but it looks like. And the mesh. Okay, so let me take the other one out as well. Meanwhile, you can have the look on it. So yeah, the Nike branding on the tongue, the Nike swoosh. These are pretty light shoes, I'll be honest with you. Yep, pretty light, and it's pretty soft. The sole, yeah, these look pretty dope. They were in black as well, but yeah, I got the other ones, so I didn't want to buy these for myself. The mesh in the front, the toe area, the swoosh on both sides is not marble, only the outer side gives you the marble look. Other than that, it's detailed, but it's not that detailed, but it's pretty decent looking trainer. And at the price point, like you cannot beat that. So yeah, I'll show you the on feet with the assistance of my missus. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is the on feet of the Nike women's trainer, thanks to our model. Yep, so these are the pink color. Like it's day-to-day trainer. They're very comfortable. Like as you can see, the material, the mesh material on the toe works just fine. It's breathable, but yeah, you cannot wear them outside in the rain, because over here the weather is like always rainy. So yeah, this is it. I got them on sale. If you still can get them, I'll recommend them. They are true to the size, so don't worry about it. And yeah, it's comfortable. The grip is fine, as I can see. And hope you guys like it. Do subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. Take care. Bye.